You know, I'm always looking for quick tips and hacks that I can tell you about. And one that I have stumbled on recently is uses for wax paper. And I love wax paper for covering dishes that I put in the microwave and things like that. But there's a million things you can use it with, and I'm going to show you today. So the first thing is, if you're ironing and your iron starts to stick to the bottom of things, you take a cool iron and a piece of wax paper, and you rub that sole plate on the bottom of the iron a few times. That will make it slide right over the clothes, and no, it does not leave any wax or anything on your clothes. To season and protect wooden utensils that you use in the kitchen, wax paper works great. Take some wax paper, simply rub it. Make sure you rub over it really good, and the water will bead up and fall off. And your can opener, how often do you clean your can opener? Maybe it's been a while. If you haven't cleaned it in a while, I'd wash it first. But a great way to keep it clean and to season it is to use wax paper. And what I do is I take a piece of wax paper and I slip it in right between the wheels. And then I start and turn it. And I just keep turning that around and around and move the wax paper around a little bit until you get that wax off onto the can opener. As you can see, it's going right around. That puts that protection on there, and you won't have the germs and bacteria, and it's easy to keep clean. And if you've opened a bottle of wine and you want to put that cork back in and have it easy to remove, take your piece of wax paper, wrap it around, push it down in, and it's easy to open the next time. And if you want something that will keep all the fingerprints off your chrome, rub them with a piece of wax paper. It will seal them, and the water will bead up and run away. Give some of these wax paper hacks a try. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.